Hey, what's up, YouTube? So this is the recap of box number 18. I left 6 packs left to be open, but before we get to those, I want to show you what I got so far from the 54 other packs that I have open. I got a short print of Sarah Underwood. The one on the right is the short print, so got one of those. The backs are the same, just different, like a richer color on the short print. So got that. Got Krista Carroll Bootcamp. There's the back to that. Got Patrice Hollis again in Bootcamp. Got Debbie O'Toole, All-American. Got a Renee Stone holiday card, set of 18. Got Jessica Canseco, Jose Canseco's ex-wife. This is another holiday card. This is from 2003 Benchwarmer. Nick Azirian, Chromium All-American, set of 24. Juliana Prada All-American, very nice. Got a Chromium of Amy Weber, Hotties, set of 16. And then we got additional 4 autographs. Got Tabitha Taylor, very nice, looking hot. Tammy Sheffield, she was a wrestler in the Women of Wrestling. She was part of Beach Patrol with Bobby Biller. Claudia Jordan, and she was a Price is Right of Barker Beauty. And we got Tiffany Richardson. So those are our 4 additional hits. Let's go ahead and open up these packs that I left open. Left 6 packs. We can get some more autographs. We got base, and a Maria Canales All-American. Very nice. And then base and base. Next pack. Ooh, we got another autograph. We got base, and an autograph of Angela Fong. And she wrestled a little bit. And there's this, booyah. Very nice back, Angela Fong. And base and base. Next pack. So that's 5 additional autographs so far from the 60 packs. Got base, All-American and Andrea Lowe. Salute. And then base and base. And then the 2006 Benchwarmer. This is the one that has the Betty Page autos. Can we possibly get one? And those things go for a lot of money if you score a Betty Page autograph. Alright, let's see. Got base, and we got a insert of Angie Baye. So there's the insert. It's a set of 6 cards. And then base and base. Now the 2 signature series. So wish me luck. Let's go ahead and open this one first. There's Kiss cards in this, there's red backs, there's also 1 guaranteed autograph. So let's see what we get. There's also lingerie card set. Alright, got base, and our autograph is Renee Stone. and then just base, base, and base. So all base cards except for the guaranteed autograph. And then here's the 2005, also a guaranteed autograph. There's also kiss cards in this product and swatches, and also insert set of Locker Room Girls. Locker Room Girls insert set. All right, here we go. Got base, base, got base, 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 and our autograph is a blue ink of Tiffany Keys. Very nice. And there's the back. She's a musician. She plays the guitar. All right, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, we'll see you guys. Thank you guys. Later.